Adaptable 18, the latest version of our AG Grid extension, contains annotations. This is a new feature that was requested by our users, allowing them to essentially annotate cells with comments, with notes that are not stored with the underlying data, but in their own user state. So annotations comes in two formats, notes and comments. Let's look at notes first. And we can see some here. We've got a note on this cell, on this cell, on this cell and this cell, and you can see that they're identified by the little blue triangle. And notes are for personal use, so the idea is if I want to make a note on this cell, I just click add a note, and I can say this is my note for this cell. There we are, I can see it anytime I want, and as I say, this will get stored with my adaptable state. It won't get stored with the data. You, like everything in Adaptable, notes can be configured by CSS, so we can see here we've changed it to a yellow triangle with a kind of a sort of easier way to see it. So they're notes for personal use. The other type of annotation is a comment, and that is designed for a more team sharing collaborative environment where so essentially comments are notes which are viewable and editable by all members of a team. And again, it's probably easier to give an example to show how they work. So in this example here, we have a data grid by Alice, which is this one, and we have a separate data grid, different column structure, different theme by her colleague Bob. So if Alice now makes a comment, so let's say she makes a comment on Angular, and she says, this is what we should use. You can now see there's Alice's comment. But if I go into Bob, there we are. That's now marked with a triangle. He can see Alice's comment. Obviously, he can't edit it, but he can write his own comment. He can say, I respectfully disagree. We should use React. And of course, he can now edit his comments. When I go back to Alice now, if she goes into her cell, she can see her original comment and she can see Bob's comment. And obviously that then facilitates a conversation between multiple colleagues. So there is a lot more to both notes and comments, but hopefully that gives you an initial introduction. Notes are for personal use where each user can kind of make their own little notes on any cell or any column, just to kind of make kind of little aid memoirs, while comments facilitate conversations and collaborations amongst teams. If you'd like to learn more about annotations in Adaptable or anything else we provide, please get in touch. We'll be delighted to provide you with a personalized one-to-one demo, or indeed your own free, no obligation trial license so you can try out Adaptable for yourself. Thank you for watching.